Hi everyone, welcome to the day 2 of DAX series in just 2 minutes. Today we will learn two basic DAX functions, sum and average. I have already imported the sample sales data. All the columns are visible in data pane. Now let's create our first measure using sum function. Go to the report view, click on modeling, select new measure. Now type total sales equal to type sum opening parenthesis. Now it will show the table or sheet name and the column name in the square bracket. For total sales, select the sales column, closing parenthesis and press enter. You will see a new field called total sales under the sales table. Now from build pane, select the card pane. Now drag the total sales field into fields and the card will now show the total sales value. Similarly, to find the average sales, we will create another measure. Select anywhere in the blank screen. Now go to modeling, click on new measure, type average sales equal to type average function, opening parenthesis, select sales column, closing parenthesis and press enter. You will see a new field average sales under the sales table. Now select another card visual and drag the average sales field into fields. The card will now show average sales value. So this is how you can quickly calculate sum and average with DAX. In the next video, we will explore calculate, which is a powerful function to filter and analyze the data dynamically. Don't miss it.